Nurse coach or health coach? The title that you choose isn't just branding, it decides which rule book you're held to. So let's sort it out. A lot of nurses agonize over this, and for good reason. If you call yourself a nurse coach, and you will keep the trust and the authority that the word nurse carries, and people will lean in, but you also keep your nursing scope and your board looking over your shoulder because you've told the world you're practicing as a nurse. Drop the nurse title and call yourself a health coach, and you step into the coaching scope. That's narrower in some ways and freer in others. The catch is that you may be leaving real credibility on the table. And if you still behave like a nurse while you're calling yourself a coach, you get the obligations without the clarity. Now, there's a second layer that most people miss: state lines. Now, the Nurse Licensure Compact lets a multi-state license reach most of the country these days, so this isn't the 50 separate licensing world that it used to be. But the compact doesn't erase the question, it sharpens it. When you act as a nurse, you still answer to the rules of the state that your client is sitting in, not the state that you're in. And the compact covers nursing, not coaching. So the more that your title and your behavior say nurse, the more where your client sits still matters. A coach title doesn't erase that. It changes the shape of the question. So which protects you better? Neither by itself. What protects you is alignment. Pick the title that matches how you actually want to work, and then keep your language and your services consistent with it. The danger isn't in the title. It's a mismatch between the title that you claim and the role that you slip into. Whichever you choose, the free 3-question scope check is in the description, and it'll help you to stay inside of it. So grab it, choose on purpose, and then stay consistent. That's the protection. Subscribe, come back. I'll see you next time.